Happy Friday, everyone, and good afternoon. This is your girl, Cooking with Steph. What I have here in front of you are a pan of Brussels sprouts. So I have washed these Brussels sprouts, and I have sliced and diced those babies right down the middle. I have hit those with a secret blend of herbs and spices, and I have topped those off with some OVV oil. Okay, I've already washed and sliced and diced my potatoes. I have those potatoes in the oven. Those potatoes are rusted, and we're getting ready to get the same roast effect on these Brussels sprouts. Real simple recipe. Just rinse, slice and dice down the middle. You want to try and get that oil into the craters, into the holes of those Brussels sprouts. And you're simply going to preheat your oven on about 350 to 375. And you're just going to throw those in the oven uncovered, and you're going to roast them. Now, I took those potatoes from being soaked overnight to sliced and diced. And I have here my roasted potatoes. Those are oven roasted ranch potatoes. I hit them with the little OVV oil. Seasoned those babies with some fresh rosemary, some parsley, some garlic powder, and a pack of ranch seasoning. And those potatoes are roasted. Now let's get the same effect on these Brussels sprouts. I already have that oven preheated, so let's go.